Listening, Unit 8, page 100E.
There are 7 questions in this part. For each question, there are 3 pictures and a short recording. Circle the correct picture A, B or C. 1. What time does the girls' music lesson start tonight?
What time does your music lesson start tonight?
7:30.
Are you sure? I thought it was starting at 8 tonight, because there's a celebration in the hall at 7 o'clock.
Dad, you're right. It was in the note from my teacher. Thanks for remembering. It's so boring waiting for the class to start.
2. Which sport did Tom try?
Did you hear what Tom did on his holiday?
Well, I think he wanted to try windsurfing, so I guess it was that.
No, it wasn't. There wasn't any windsurfing at that beach, so he tried water skiing instead. And he loved it.
Really? I know they do sailing there. I thought he wanted to try that, but he obviously changed his mind.
3. Which concert is the boy not going to buy a ticket for?
I think I'll buy my cousin tickets to a concert for her birthday.
That's a nice idea. What sort of concert? A pop concert? Some great bands are playing in town next month.
I was thinking about an orchestra, actually. She loves classical music because she plays the violin. There's also a famous pianist giving a piano recital, which she might enjoy.
Both of those sound nice. I think she'll enjoy them both.
4. Which bikini does the young woman prefer? Which bikini do you think I should buy? I really like the striped one.
Well, personally, I think the spotted one looks better on you.
Really? What do you think of this plain one?
Well, it's okay, but it's not as nice as the spotted one.
5. Where is the tennis racket? I can't find my tennis racket. Have you seen it?
Well, last time I saw it, it was on the bed.
No, I moved it from there and I thought I left it on the chair.
Ah, I can see it now. It's on the table, under your jacket.
6. How much does the woman pay per month for her gym?
I'm thinking of joining a gym, but it's so expensive.
Really? Mine's only £30 a month. I don't think that's too bad.
£30 a month? The one I went to was £50 a month, but I think a lot's included in the price.
Wow, that's £20 a month more. It must be good for that price. 7. What has the grandmother done this afternoon?
I went to visit Granny today. She really is an amazing woman.
Well, I know she likes cooking. What delicious thing did she cook this time?
Actually, believe it or not, she was surfing the internet all afternoon.
I don't believe it. Normally she's cooking, or gardening, like normal grannies. I'm glad she's a modern granny, though.